Hey guys, so if you have your Blink Mini 2 and it's not connecting, this is the thing that you can try. And even when like it's just not connecting to anything, so this is something that I read, maybe it's going to help you. So unlink your Amazon account and disable grant Blink support to resolve the issues. You can also return it and replace it, and if you can do that also, so you can contact Blink support. You can also, if network is congested, try disconnecting the device and changing the Wi-Fi channel. Hotspot setup. So if you can try to do, you can use a phone hotspot with the same SSID and password as your main Wi-Fi to set up the Blink system. So then switch back to the main router. And same thing is when you're going to be in here in Windows, hotspot. And you can just like turn on the hotspot right here, mobile hotspot, and turn it on, and you can change the name and password. Then also you can ensure that router is not set channel that operates in low power mode. And then also the Blink system requires a 2.4 GHz band for easier setup and better range, not the 5 GHz band. So this is another thing really important. And then so if the 2.4 GHz band is saturated, 5 GHz might be better option if supported, but Blink does not support it. So I just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to help you fix the issue, and have a great day and goodbye.